A 32-year male presented with bilateral AVN, left side more than right side. So treated with bilateral core decompression. You can see the X-rays, AP and lateral. The patient position in fracture table. After draping, first we mark GT, and what the landmark we use here is opposite ASIS. It will be very easy if you consider opposite ASIS as a landmark and keep a guide wire and take a C-arm imaging. So it will be through the neck of the opposite hip as shown here. So it is directly through the neck. So mark this line first, AP line. Till GT you need to mark it. Now the second line is the horizontal line, that is lateral view axis. AP axis and lateral axis are the most important landmarks. If you get them right before proceeding for the surgery, then 50% of the surgery is over. You can just manipulate to get it centralized in true lateral position. Adjust your guide wire and mark that if it is center of the head and neck. See the center in lateral view. Now your 50% work is over. You can work along the horizontal axis in direction to the AP axis. Along the horizontal axis you can just select which point you want to enter, proximal or distal, in the GT, and along the AP axis you can direct it to the head of the femur. So when I insert a guide wire, always check anterior and posterior borders of GT and then insert it, proceed forwards. After getting inside a bit, always check in the C-arm what is the direction and what is the site it is going. So I was desiring the site in the AP view. As you can see, it is directed to the upper quadrant, so I was desiring that. Now proceeding it furthermore, then turning into the lateral view. So lateral view is always to proceed to the head until subchondral region we need to proceed it. So slowly proceed in forward direction. So after reaching the subchondral region, stop. Confirm the position both in AP and lateral views. See, it is at the subchondral region, very well placed, and this is the AP view. It is going through a first cyst which was located before. So now taking the second K-wire. Now the work is very easy. We just want to go below the previous wire and parallel to it. So going parallel to it makes easy and it will reach to the head in the same direction. As usual, confirm the position whether it is going parallel. Just proceed it and go for a lateral view. So now go to the lateral view. This is parallel to the previous one, so you just see the overlapping of the K-wires. Thus you can go in many directions. You can change the direction as required by you to reach the particular quadrant. So I was centering this as the previous one. Confirm in AP. Just proceed. I just reached the second cyst. So now with the cannulated drill bit, proceeding for drilling the previous K wire. So reach till subchondral region. You may feel a resistance. If it is very sclerosed and very hard, be gentle, go slowly, and you may sometimes get fumes out of the drill bit. So always be gentle, otherwise you will break the drill bit. Proceed till subchondral region. Yeah, as you see it is in AP view, and take out. So nicely drilled canal. Many times the guide wire comes along with the drill bit. Now going for the second one. The second one I am drilling to direct to the second cyst, which is the largest cyst which I have seen in the pre-operative X-ray. Proceed till subchondral region in the AP view. Now there is no need to go for lateral view, because you have already put the guide wire under both AP and lateral view. Now you can see it is breaching the second cyst, but the guide wire is proceeding forwards. How much you can go if it is proceeding? You can breach first table of acetabulum, not the second table. How to remove the guide wire? Always take the guide wire in a reverse direction of drill bit, not the forward direction. It will proceed otherwise. You can just see the cyst fluid has come out. So it confirms we have breached the second cyst. This was the cyst fluid, which was yellowish, mixed with the blood right now. So just see the only two punctured wound, percutaneous puncture wound, and you can go for a third drill if you want. We preferred only two drills, and this is the final status. Core decompression relieves the pain and delays the need for THR. This was the patient with bilateral AV, and we have done the bilateral core decompression.